There's some fat, plumpy chicken tenders there. My grandson loves chicken. He could eat chicken every day. And he loves Mama to fry it. Other than fried, he likes lemon pepper chicken. Believe he could eat it every day. Alright, y'all. There we are. Chicken tenders is on the way. Okay, I think it's probably ready to turn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. For the first time anyway. Yeah. That one could have waited a little longer, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Oops, got a little off camera there, didn't I? Yeah. Well, I'm still learning, y'all. Still learning, y'all. I think we need to give that a little bit of Creole on this side. There we go. That Creole's good. And the Old Bay is too. But we chose Creole today. Alrighty, y'all. The frying is on its way. Check back in soon. Alrighty. Oh yeah, look at there. Ooh-wee. Alright, now why is it always the last one to give me problems? There we go. Looking good, y'all. See you on the next one. Alrighty, y'all. They're about ready to come out of here. There was one that was a little smaller. I done took it out. It's done. Alrighty, y'all. I will show a complete photo when done. Everyone have a great evening. This is Mama Bird. Peace.